Let's see, today is February 16th, and 4 months after Evelyn learned to walk, she learned to crawl. Where are you going, Evie? Oh. Are you going to walk? You gonna walk? You gonna get up and walk?